good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. K. Sudarshan, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Microbiology, Wales University. Today we're going to see foodborne diseases. We'll be seeing the following contents. We'll see the introduction, classification, the main causes, the control, high-risk prevention, and the conclusion. So you all know the foodborne disease. Food can make a person to be nutritious, can get the energy sources. At the same time, it also causes food poison. We all know what kind of disease it would cause because the source is microorganisms. So microorganisms can do wonders and thunders. So you can see here the classification of the food, the infection, intoxication, and toxo-infections. So the infections such as pathogens, it can get contaminated of the foods. It can be a viral or parasites, or it can be an intoxication. So the main cause of foodborne diseases will be a transfer from one surface to food to the other, for example to humans to animals, and food can be get sensitive with temperature if they are not stored properly. There are biological, chemical, and physical. These are the type of food contaminants. And these are the biological contaminants. You all know bacteria, what it causes botulism, E. coli, salmonella, sigilosis. And this is caused by a bacteria, a botulism called Clostridium botulinum. It's a gram-positive, anaerobic, and spore-forming. The store will be still viable inside our gut. And it consists intoxication, produces neurotoxins, and it can also causes a flaccid paralysis. You can see the source of infection where it comes from the cattle to humans. And it's the E. coli is gram-negative, non-spore forming, and 3 to 8 days based on the biological characters. Symptom will be bloody diarrhea, and it can be consumed through unpasteurized dairy products. So it can be classified into 6 groups according to the pathogenic mechanism based on the CDC investigation. And you all know Vibrio cholerae. It have nearly 35 species, can grow to 30 to 37, and causes vomiting and diarrhea. Then salmonella, you know about salmonella typhi and salmonella paratyphi, causes enteric diseases. And once you get diagnosed and then treated, so these are the diagnosis mechanism listed below. And these are the characteristics of a viral foodborne disease. So it should be 10 to the power 11 particles per gram. You all heard about the Q fever. You get the symptoms of onset fever, dry cough, hepatic disorders, Coxiella, so causative vaccine. And diagnosis will be a serological identification of CFT, microagglutination test, and FAT. So sometimes it also get affected with a Norwalk virus. So prevention in order to consume a pasteurized dairy products. And avoid the raw food. Chemical contaminant will be heavy metals such as mercury, arsenic, and lead. And pesticide, you all know about DDT, phosphorus, and organometalls. So these are the chemicals that enter into the food chain, which causes serious illness. And these are the high risk. Example, infants, pregnant women, children. And prevention will be well cooked food, and always wash your hands and proper follow hygiene, avoid contaminated water. So these are the awareness that we have been circulated several years before. So nowadays we could see in any restaurants we get all those protocols, how to wash your hand properly and when to consume the food and what temperature the food has to be maintained. So the FSSAI and our food safety organization are maintaining a proper hygiene. So in order to consume a food, the food should be fresh and it should be healthy and it should be free of causative organisms. Thank you so much. So I'll be posting more videos like that. Thank you for listening my video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.